Guys, this is it. Your final 2 months before MBA CET 2026, and from tomorrow, the top percentiles last mile to JB Crash Course is officially starting. If your mock scores are still stuck and you've been studying but don't know where exactly you're going wrong, this is your chance to fix it before it's too late. Because from tomorrow, we'll be starting live lectures where every single day you'll get clear direction on what to study, and how to push your score. Now, let me tell you what this course actually includes. The Last Mile to JB Crash Course is conducted entirely by JBIMS alumni, people who've been in your exact place, cracked CET, and made it to the top colleges. Inside the program, you'll get 75 plus hours of live classes by JBIMS alumni. They are not theory based lectures, they are score conversion sessions focused on mock improvement. One on one mentorship sessions where you'll sit down with JBIMS mentors who will help you plan your personalized 2 month roadmap. Weekly group mentoring sessions to keep you accountable and to track. Doubt solving WhatsApp groups where your doubts get answered within hours. 16 TTP turbo mocks plus 40 sectional tests designed specifically for CET, and 196 topic wise tests plus access to 300 plus hours of recorded lectures if you ever miss a class. Everything that's worked for hundreds of JBMS converts, it's all inside this crash course. But here's the most important part, these sessions are not just about classes or content, they are about strategy and execution. You learn things like how to plan the next 60 days, how many mocks you should give per week, how to identify your weak areas and focus revision plans, and how to stop fluctuating mock scores and build consistency. And most importantly, how to peak your performance by CET day, not before it. By the end of first week itself, you'll know exactly your 2 month roadmap, how to balance mocks, sectional test revisions. It's a complete improvement plan that's worked for 99.9 plus percentiles from JBMS. I'll show you how you can have a look at the different courses. All you have to go do is go to our website and just click on buy now upper. Once you click on buy now, there are different last mile courses, like there's an elite course in which you get one-on-one mentoring extra along with the live lectures and live mentorship sessions. In fast track course, you don't get one-on-one mentoring sessions, but you get everything else which are there in elite. And then you've got self-study solo course, and you can also go for our shortcut courses. You can find all the differences here in the description. Whatever you feel like, whatever suits you the best, you can choose that and go for it. And the best part, you can still join today and start from day one of live classes tomorrow. We also have group discounts if you join with your friends, TTP alumni discounts if you've been a part of TTP before, and profile based discounts if you're from a top college or those who've done really well in CET CAT previously. Just call or WhatsApp us on the number which is there in the description. You can DM us on Instagram as well. The handle is the underscore top underscore percentile. It's there in the description, and our team will help you with the best plan. So, guys, this is your last chance to start your final CET preparation journey the right way. The difference between a 95 percentile and a 99.9 percentile isn't just knowledge, it's clarity, consistency, and strategy. Our crash course starts tomorrow, and if you join today, you'll begin right from lecture 1 with JBMS mentors guiding you every step of the way. Don't wait for the next batch or the next week. CET is just around the corner, सिर्फ 60 दिन बाकी है. So join now, lock your seat, and let's make sure this year your story ends with JBMS. Thank you so much, guys.